Okay, this is part 2 of how to save some water from a dripping tap. And my hot water is turned off right now, and I'm just going to use turn on the cold water to demonstrate. You got to watch part 1 first. So this just goes on like that, and it's pretty tight squeeze, so it's going to stay there because this part of the hose is going to, it's going to hold it up there. And it goes over here to a pail. You might need a much larger pail, if you have it on for a long time. Now the problem with the hot water, if you have dripping hot water, it's going to cause your water heater bill, natural gas bill, to go up. So you should change the valve. This is an old one here. Where's the camera here? There it is. And the cold ones, don't have to change them right away if you got this hose connection. I was hoping to use something like that, be more flexible, or those clear hoses you put on an aquarium pump. They have different sizes of those, so I might adapt it later. So I'll just turn it on here. And I got 2 holes in there. Turn on too much, it'll leak through the top here. But of course, it's going to take a while before it comes out of here. So I'll just try to speed up here a bit. There it comes. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be dripping. Now it's dripping a tiny bit out there. But it won't drip that fast. See, that's too much coming out of there. But, when it drips like that, a little less, that's too much. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, I might do a video later using my kitchen sink, because I have a cold tap there that leaks a bit. Okay, thanks for watching.